The EVAC set comes in a carry case that easily fits in most vehicle compartments or under a squad bench. The splints and the manual pump should always be stored in their carry case to reduce the potential for soiling or damage. They should not be stored in compartments exposed to extreme heat or cold and should never be placed next to a muffler or exhaust system in a vehicle. To properly maintain your EVAC splint, establish a preventive maintenance program that meets the needs of your particular service area. Daily inspection should include looking for anything that could affect the integrity of performance of the EVAC splint, such as tears, broken parts, loose hose clamps, inoperable valves, etc. If damage is found or if maintenance is required, take the EVAC splint out of service until such time that it can be properly repaired or replaced. The EVAC splint is a durable splint that will last for many years when properly maintained. Clean and disinfect the EVAC splint according to your medical director's guidelines. The EVAC splint and the splint strap should be cleaned using soap and water, or a mild detergent, or a commercial cleaner disinfectant. When the splint has been exposed to blood or body fluids, it should be cleaned using cold water and then allowed to soak in a detergent solution for 24 hours and then thoroughly rinsed and dried. Always keep the red leash cap on the maxi valve when soaking the EVAC splint. Sodium hypochlorite, that is bleach solutions, may be used, but avoid prolonged exposure of the fabric to high concentrations of bleach because discoloration is possible. Bleach solution can be used on the EVAC splint, but it should be thoroughly rinsed off with lukewarm or cold water and then allowed to dry. Make sure the splint and splint straps are completely dry before placing them back into their storage and carry case. Note: the EVAC splint can be machine washed using a washing machine without an agitator. Please make sure the maxi valve is protected with the red leash cap prior to placing the splint into the washing machine. The plastic pump does not require any maintenance. Contact your authorized dealer should you need a replacement. The all-aluminum pump is virtually maintenance-free. Perform general exterior cleaning as needed. Once a year, check the internal O-ring. If the O-ring needs lubrication, use a clear or white grease lubricant. A 1-inch spanner wrench will be needed to remove the top cap of the pump to inspect the O-ring. Care should be taken when threading the cap back onto the pump to prevent cross-threading of the cap threads.